Hey YouTube, it's Ed with Creative Solutions. I was out in the garage and I was doing some forging. My neighbor came over and wanted me to take a look at something he had. And what he had was this small anvil here that his grandfather made. And he made it out of a section of railroad tie. I guess his grandfather was a welder, and if you take a good look at it, you can see where he actually, I'm going to use my hand, so this is kind of maybe a shaky video, be holding the camera, where he cut out the pedestal, cut out the cheeks. He created a horn with another section of the railroad tie and blended it in very, very well. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but here is a number 4 and here's the number 8. No clue as to what they represent, but I'm sure it was just something that was stamped into the section of railroad tie that he ended up using, or railroad rail that he ended up using here. But I'll grab a ruler and we'll take a look at some overall dimensions real quick. Okay, the overall dimension is about 13.5 inches, and the height is approximately slightly over 6 and an eighth, 6 and a 16th, right in there. A little difficult to see through the, about an eighth. And the top is 2 5/8. I'm sorry, daydreaming there. About 2 5/8 inches. We have a horn that's almost 5 inches. Almost 5 inches in length. And then total length of this section about 10. Oh, no, it's 9 and, well, 8 7/8. 8 7/8 inch. But I thought that was a pretty neat little item that he acquired before his grandfather passed away. And I just figured I'd give you a quick look at it. And I'll go ahead and build a stand for it, use it for a couple weeks, and then give it back to him. He'll have a stand and it'll be a usable item for him. So thanks for watching.